Okay, so we're factoring trinomials. Let's get started. Okay, so we're looking at 2x squared minus 6x minus 108. All right, so we're going to look at the thing in front of the x squared, the 2. It's not a 1, but we don't panic, right? You want to try to do this. This is not going to always work, but notice that all three terms are even. That means they're all divisible by 2. Well, if they're all divisible by 2, we can rewrite this thing by factoring out a 2. Right? So that's what you want to try to do. Again, this is not going to always work, but in this case, it does. So what does that look like? We're going to put the 2 on the outside. And if we put the 2 on the outside, we'd be left with x squared plus 3x minus 54. Because if you distribute, you're going to get the same thing. Awesome. Now we're saying that the thing in parentheses, that a is equal to 1. So we can continue to factor the way we've been doing. Well, we're going to put the 2 on the outside, and then we have x, and then we have x on the other side of parentheses. All right, cool. Now we're going to analyze the factors of 54. Again, you either want to think about or write out the factors of 54. Well, 54, we have, what do we got? 1 and 54. We got 2 and 27, 3 and 18, 6 and 9, and I believe that's it. Well, the pair that we're going to need are going to be 6 and 9 because I could turn that into 3 somehow, some way. Again, I'm going to purposely make a mistake so you can check yourself when you make mistakes, right? I'm all about trying to help people get themselves out of mistakes. So I'm going to put x plus 6 times x minus 9 with the 2 on the outside. That's incorrect because if we do the add test, we have positive 6 plus negative 9, that gives me a negative 3. I needed a positive 3. And then if we multiply them out, it gives me the negative 54, which that is correct. But if it fails one of those tests, it's incorrect. Okay, so it's okay. All you got to do is fix the signs. Well, I need a positive 3. Well, I'm going to need to rewrite this thing. I'm going to need to erase the signs, and I'm going to put 2 times x minus 6 times x plus 9. Okay, this checks out because if we do the addition test, aka the combined test, we have negative 6 plus a 9, which gives me a positive 3. That checks out. And then we have negative 6 times positive 9, which is negative 54. This passed the test. Now we can say to factor this 2x squared plus 6x minus 108, it factors into 2 times x minus 6 times x plus 9. Thank you again for watching. Do you have any questions, comments, concerns? Please leave them below, and I will see you next time.